name's Megan. Today we've got some bar basics for you. We are in my kitchen this evening in Atlanta, and today it is cold outside, so we're going to be making hot toddies. So to start this, we're going to be using a glass mug, and the first ingredient is water, and we need to heat it up. So I'm going to use you can use your glass to measure how much water you're going to need. So I'm going to use approximately this much water. Keep that on a stove. You're gonna let that water heat up because next thing that you're gonna add to your glass is some honey. Approximately a tablespoon or two. It's really to taste. So I'm just gonna add a decent amount of honey to the bottom of this glass. Yeah, if you feel so inclined and you want a quick hot toddy, you can microwave your water too. Whatever way you get your water hot, doesn't matter. I don't have a microwave. So you're gonna take your hot water, pour it over top of your honey, and stir it with your bar spoon until it is dissolved and combined. To that, you're going to add about a little more than 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. And then we're gonna come in with the bourbon, about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of bourbon. And then top it with your cinnamon stick. You could place it on there to make it look extra cute, but it's better if you just put it right in there for the flavor. And that's it. That's your hot toddy. And that's amazing. Tastes like a glass of warm tea. Perfect for a nice cold day or night or morning. I don't know. It's basically tastes like a glass of hot tea. You got a sore throat? Make a hot toddy. That's all I gotta say.